Here we are at the plumbing gas drainage shop, and it says it's open. This is in Empire Street. Pretty cool. Hi, how are you?
Good.
Wow, I've never been in this store before. Oh, they've got alkaline fittings too. Cool. It's amazing actually how many shops in Kaitaia have alkaline fittings. That's pretty cool. Yeah, that's right, which is cool. Yeah, all our power comes from the river.
Yeah.
It's awesome. There's your alkaline, different sizes you can get, different length rolls, and again they've got PVC pipe too. Look at that. Whoa. And then these are like for your shower, set up your shower fittings. Pretty cool. All your different metal fittings and taps and stuff. Yeah, pretty cool. Oh, and then your bigger size downpipes, Y joiners and T joiners and stuff. Pretty cool. Awesome. And oh, look at these flash taps. Oh, look at that one. Pretty cool. How long has this shop been going for?
I think 3 years or so.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Oh, well, thanks very much, and you have a great day, eh? Best of luck. Choice one. Yeah. Oh, there's a hot water cylinder. Whoa. It's a big one. NPS Plumbing Supplies. Number 10, Empire Street. Aren't they cool?